is the Review channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make it's a sauce. It's called chili. It's called chili oil, and the Chinese name called 油泼辣子. This is very popular in my hometown, and we make this chili oil and we add it to noodles, to cold dishes, and you can add it to a lot of dishes while you cook Chinese food. So today I will make this chili oil. So the ingredients, the main ingredient we need is the chili pepper. I bought those chili pepper, any dry red chili pepper. I bought it from Asian market. You can buy in the Walmart or Mears. They have those. I saw them. Sometimes I bought in Walmart. Sometimes I bought them in Asian market. So either way, and any this red chili pepper, and just buy it. Those are the main ingredients we need to make this chili oil, or you can call chili oil, not chili sauce, chili oil. Okay, we will for the chilies, and we need to pick up. You see the top, they have the connected part. We need to pick this off, and use a scissor to cut the chili, and to this this long, and then into the pot. We cut it. So one chili cut two times with 3 pieces. Do this. We need a seed, so don't throw the seeds. For this part, connect part, dry connected part, just need to peel it. This will come to eat it. And then just cut it 1, 2, 3 pieces. This is the chili pepper. We get is this pot. It measures 2 cups of chili pepper, and we will use. Okay, we get a pot. Any pot is okay, and we turn the fire. And turn the fire to the low. Remember to low, and put the pot on. When the pot is hot, we add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil to it. Don't add too much oil. Rinse the pot. Okay. When you do this, and remember, and you need to turn the fan to, and also open the window, and because there will be a lot of choking. So try to let the kids not be here. And when you touch those chili peppers, remember, wash your hands. Don't touch your face or nose, or touch your kids, because if this spicy go to the face, or to your face, to a kid's face, it will be very miserable. So in your matter, you need to be very, very careful. Okay, we don't need the oil to be very hot. We added the cut chili pepper, 2 cups of chili pepper into it, and then we slowly stir fry. We do this to make the chili become very dry and crispy. So we will use the grounder, the coffee grounder, to ground those chili, so they easily become 2 pounder. We just slowly fry. We just slow frying the chili pepper. Right now I can smell it's very choking, and the chili pepper, you can see the it's a start kind of like a brown. You can see it, like it kind of start little burn. And then right now I think it's ready, so we turn it off. Oh, it's very choking. So remember, and move it off with the pot. Then we will wait it's cooled down. This is our chili pepper. We'll add it to the coffee grounder into it. We need to repeat a lot of times, because my grounder is a small grounder, so I can't put too much. And then we cover it, put this lid on, and push the button. You can see the alright, become pounder. You can see it become pounder. We add it to the pot. We don't need 2 very small pieces. Very ground. So we make some is still have some pieces and some very ground. So it's a mixture. Lay down. So this one will make it just not too long. So we want to have some big chunk. You can see that this is a big chunk. The first one is very ground, this one is a big chunk. So it's a mixture. Oh, probably need to grow a little longer. And pick up those long one. This one is not too long, so we still need a ground. Because we want to be pounder, but still some is a very pounder, some still have some big pieces. Young. I say 10 seconds. Yeah, it become pounder. We add to it. Then we repeat it again. You can use this brush, this stuff, and scratch it. Scratch the rest of the. Sorry. Brush the chili pepper and into the grounder. So we ground it. Good. So it's all got going in the grounder. And count for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now down, we check it. So it'll be like this. And put it at the pot. When we get a chopstick, I'll get a spoon and try to scratch the edge of the round to get the, because there's a lot of stuck here. We use a chopstick or a spoon, either get all of them out. Yeah, when you fry the pepper, you can add oil or without oil. It's up to you. If you don't add, probably won't not too sticky to this. But usually in my hometown we add some little oil. It's up to you. This is 2 cups the chili pepper we get. In my family, we love to put the one of these black cardamom and 2 star anise. 1 cardamom and 2 star anise. We add to the chili powder to give us a good flavor. This is the sesame seeds. We also add 1 tablespoon sesame seeds to it to make this chili oil. Right on the stove. And high fire. And put the pot on. This is a vegetable oil. Any burning vegetable oil is okay. We add 3 cups of vegetable oil to it. 3 cups. Because the oil you add must more than the chili powder, because the oil need the chili powder will soak into this hot oil. So right now we just heat the oil. I think this I think. So usually if you feel this powder too small, the powder too small, you can add you need to add oil. Your always is 2 times more than the chili powder. Now we heat the oil, let the oil and start frying. Then we add the oil to this chili powder and mix it. You have to know the oil is ready. We put some sesame into the oil. when the sesame started frying, and you have a lot of bubbles come out from the sesame, that means oil is ready. Then we added oil to the chili powder. When you do this, and you need to be very careful and you need to stay by the oil. Don't leave the oil here. I don't want oil will probably start a fire. So you need to be very careful. And also keep your kids and pet and away from this area. And you also be very careful to operate the hot oil. I don't want someone get burned. So yeah, there's a lot of accident happened in China, and the kids burned by the hot oil, the pet burned by the hot oil. So when you do this, usually my parents will let me far away and don't get close to it. They will do this. Okay, I think the sesame start frying. We added some to it to see. Yes, the sesame seeds and start frying. If you're not sure, you also can add star anise into it to see. You see? The star anise is started frying. So that means that this oil is ready, so we added this oil, hot oil to the, we don't need the oil too hot or be burnt. So right now we turn off the stove and be very careful to operate it. And hold the oil and add it to it. You can see the you add some, don't add it once, and be careful. You put the oil by the side and to mix it. You see the oil is frying the. Okay. Yep. You add more oil to it. I don't think. I think this oil is enough. We don't need too much oil. So we just leave this oil by the side and put it in a container. When it cool down, put it in a container for other use. And right now, this is our chili oil, and you just let it be, put it by the side and just leave it there, let it cool down. And the pepper and will sink into the bottom, and on the top we have the red chili oil. And so this chili pepper oil is done. You can get close to see it. We still have some oil left. So I try to put more oil, so because you need to have more oil to cover and cover the chili pepper, the ground chili pepper. So this, and don't worry, right now some on top have a lot of foam, and this foam after that is just oil. When it cool down and the chili pepper will sink, and on the top just the red chili oil. When you add it, you can add some chili pepper oil and chili pepper added to your dishes or food to have a spicy red color flavor. If you after you use the oil and the oil, there's no oil, just the chili pepper in the bottom, then you can fry some hot oil and add to it and mix it. So just doing that. If the chili pepper is gone, you just add a ground chili pepper powder and into it, and add the hot oil to make it. So just it will just keep going and won't be gone. You can do this, and we already at home do this. So the chili oil, this kind of sauce and flavor stuff, flavor stuff. This is done, and I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And I see you next time.